Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your NETGEAR EX7700 Wi-Fi range extender step by step, so you can boost your Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate dead zones in your home. We'll cover both the WPS method and the browser setup, making it quick and easy to get connected. Let's get started. Begin by carefully unboxing your NETGEAR EX7700 extender. Open the package and take out the device along with all included accessories, such as the power adapter and quick start guide. Make sure everything is present and undamaged before proceeding with the setup process. Power on the extender. Plug the EX7700 into a power outlet and wait for the power LED to turn solid green, indicating it is ready. Press the WPS button on your router. Press the WPS button. Then, within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the EX7700. The WPS LED should light up, indicating a successful connection to your Wi-Fi network. Connect to the extender. Use a computer or mobile device to connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, which is usually named NETGEAR_EXT. The default password may be password or can be found on the device label. To access the setup page, open a web browser on your device and enter http://www.mywifiext.net or http://192.168.1.250 in the address bar. Press enter, and you will be directed to the NETGEAR extender setup page to begin configuring your device easily and quickly. Follow the setup wizard. The setup wizard will guide you through the process. You will need to select your existing Wi-Fi network and enter the password for that network to connect the extender. Finalize setup. Once connected, the extender will reboot. After rebooting, you can connect your devices to the extended network, which will have the same SSID as your original network. Your EX7700 extender setup is now complete. The device has successfully connected to your existing Wi-Fi network, and you can start using the extended coverage. Enjoy a stronger and more reliable connection throughout your home. If you are unable to set up your NETGEAR EX7700 Wi-Fi extender or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thank you for watching.